Let's go back here. So move means, of course, you know this, means from one source location to the destination location. Copy is means you're creating more files which needed. Move means I don't need to keep you in this department now. You're going to the different department now. We can do that as well.
So for that, like, should I
And yeah,
move
you
this
can
one
do the
side?
both. Yes, you can do this. You can just say the, yeah, do whatever you want.
Okay, then the department, like I want to move this to in my UK folder. So for that, I have to give the source, like which folder I want to move.
Let's do different way. We can do different way. Just create another folder, mkdir, and just put the Europe. So now move the UK into the Europe because that's there belongs now. They're not part of anymore. mkdir Europe.
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 Hit enter. Yep. So you got it. So now we are going to move UK to the Europe, right? Because they're all the same now. That's it. That's the movements.
Okay, then you have to give the where we want to
Destination.
move. Yes,
Yeah.
the destination. So
Done.
now if I see ls, see there's no UK in here. So if
Yeah.
I go to the Europe folder now and use ls in here, we can see the UK is here.
And we can do something else. We can create another, go up, create another folder. And now we are actually, yep. Oh, now we are in the Asia, right?
Yes,
So
now
now
we
we are actually moving in the Asian folder, right? We're in the Asian folder.
yes.
Yeah.
So which folder should I move or
Create another. No, Southeast Asia now. mkdir Southeast. So then we will move actually the Bangladesh to the Southeast Asia. So you see this? It's just thinking the simple way. Yeah. So now, there you go. So now we're moving Bangladesh and China into the Southeast Asia. We're organizing now.
move
MB,
Bangladesh? Then the okay, where we want to move it is ls now. See the Bangladesh
Bangladesh
is
is
right
done.
here. Yeah. So then
We
we
can
can
do
go
the
to
same thing.
China.
China.
The China
Things are
is
getting cleaner now, right? It's good.
to Southeast Asia and is ls. You can see the Bangladesh and China in here.
So see, it makes sense. That's the reason all the command is coming is how the business run their business, how the things are organized on the human nature. Okay, good. So that's the how you importantly do this kind of command. Go back to slide, please.
And there is another command like we
Sure,
can actually
good.
rename a folder with the mv command also.
Sure, go ahead. You do it.
Okay, so for the like the mv, then the folder name that we want to rename, like the China, let's suppose China, then we have to just give the new folder name, like let's suppose let me give you the new China first. New China, new enter. If I use stylus now, see there's no China, it's a new China. You also rename a folder by using this mv
So yeah,
command.
move command also does the rename as well. So move not only does the moving from one location to another location in the same location, it is also changing the renaming the folder name or the folder name as well. So move is two purpose in Linux.